Just 3 years ago, GitHub Copilot was the undisputed force in AI-powered coding. But the tides have turned. Claude Code, the upstart from Anthropic, has surged ahead, capturing the enterprise developer market and pushing Copilot off its throne. Microsoft's own data says it all. In less than a year, the percentage of GitHub code written by Copilot jumped from 40 to 46%. Yet, that dominance is under threat. Now Microsoft is striking back. At Build 2026, the company is unveiling a bold new arsenal, a full suite of internally developed AI models with a flagship coding engine tailor-made to challenge Claude Code's lead. For Microsoft, this isn't just another product launch. It's a strategic pivot, decades in the making. No longer content to rely exclusively on OpenAI, Microsoft's MAI division, spearheaded by Mustafa Suleyman, finally has the green light to train its own best-in-class foundation models. That restriction, a remnant of the original OpenAI partnership, was lifted in April. The timing couldn't be clearer. Microsoft's vision is ownership of the AI model layer itself. The new lineup goes far beyond a coding bot. Dedicated models for reasoning, transcription, speech, and images stand ready. An all-new in-house agent marks the next step in developer productivity. But the centerpiece, the coding model, is designed for one purpose: to put Microsoft back on top and to retake the developer enterprise market from Anthropic. How high are the stakes? Consider this. Whoever controls the AI layer for developers controls the future of enterprise software for the next decade. The numbers set the stage. Claude Opus 4.8 holds an industry benchmark with a SW Bench Pro score of 69.2%. Microsoft's message is clear. Copilot is writing nearly half the world's code, and their new model is built to push that number to 60, even 70%. It's more than a technological leap. It's the opening shot in a new era of AI competition, and what happens next could redefine the way software is built everywhere.